The 2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.